Hey, it's Mr. Cornwell again with another video showing you around the MajorClarity program. This time we'll be looking at the personality assessment. I know some of you will hear the word assessment and think this is going to be some crazy hard test, but trust me, you don't have to worry about this one. You can't fail your personality test. Well, I guess technically if you lie, the results will be all wrong and that might be considered failing, but never mind. Just be honest and you'll be fine. There's no wrong answer unless you lie. Let's look at the personality assessment, and we'll come back to this later. If you just logged in for the first time, MajorClarity probably just put up a "Welcome, let's get started, take the assessment" screen. Just click on that "Take the Test" button and you're set. You're in the right place. If you've used MajorClarity before, or if you wandered away from that first "Let's get started" message, you can find the assessment in the navigation bar on the left. Just click on Assessments and you'll find yourself on the screen I am on. When you get to this screen, you'll see that there are two assessments here. One on the left for personality and one on the right for learning styles. If you've already taken these, you'll see your results here. If you haven't, you'll see the beginning of the tests. Before we go any further, I want to pause and rant just a little bit. I told you a few minutes ago to be honest with this assessment. The whole point of MajorClarity is to help you make informed decisions about your future, specifically what kind of career you want to pursue and what training or classes you need in order to get there. The whole process starts with you learning about yourself, and MajorClarity has a cool way of using this personality assessment to suggest to you careers you might like. However, if you aren't honest with this assessment, it's going to show you careers that you probably won't like, and that defeats the point. The ones you want will still be there, even if you lie, but you'll have to work harder to find them. And who wants to work harder? Am I right? Alright, the rant is over. Let's get started. The questions in this personality assessment are all in the same format. You'll see an activity like sell stuff to people, or in this case, sell restaurant locations to individuals. You have to decide whether that activity sounds like something you'd like to do. If it sounds cool, you click the little heart icon, the little green one. If it doesn't sound cool, then you click the little X icon. If you're not sure, obviously, you'll click maybe. Do this a bunch of times and you'll be finished. There are 48 questions, but I promise it goes really fast. If you've taken the assessment already, you can retake it anytime you want. Just click the Reset Assessment button and it'll start you over at the beginning. I encourage you to write down your scores before you reset though. As your preferences change and the assessment changes, you might get slightly different results. It'll be interesting to compare how you scored last time to the results that you see today. Pause the video now and take the assessment. I'll take it too, and we'll look at our results when we finish. Alright, you're finished. Now you can see your scores. Congratulations. I know some of you will see these 6 scores, notice that they look like failing grades, and freak out. Don't worry, calm down. These are not grades. Remember, you can't fail your personality test. The numbers you see here are your Holland codes. They're personality types that are associated with different preferences, and you probably have one or a few that you scored higher in than the others. If you click on the little icon beside each of your high scores, you can read about the tendencies of a person with that personality type, the things they like, the things they're good at, the types of careers they often pursue. My highest score was in social, so I can click on that and read about the social people, otherwise known as helpers, and the different things, as I said, that I might like, different things I may excel at, and the type of careers that people like me often pursue. You might find that the description fits you perfectly, or you might not, but most people read through their top 2 or 3 and can say, yeah, that might not all be accurate, but a lot of it describes me pretty well. The questions you answered in this assessment and the scores you see here are MajorClarity's attempt to understand the types of activities you enjoy, so that it can suggest for you careers that let you make money doing those things. I'll explain more when we get to the career exploration section. We've got to cover learning styles first though, and we'll tackle that in the next video. See you soon.